Hello guys, and welcome to my next Balkan destination. In this video, we will continue our travel from Skopje to Pristina, the capital of Kosovo. Welcome to Pristina, the largest and the most populated city of Kosovo. Join me and let's see what we can do in the capital within 24 hours. Our first stop, Bill Clinton Monument. Located in the main highway, this monument was built in honor of former US President Bill Clinton, who helped the Kosovo to end the war in the region. Next, drop by at the beautiful church of Mother Theresa Cathedral. Visit the unique architectural design of National Library of Kosovo. Few steps away from the library, you will find the abandoned Church of Christ the Saviour Cathedral. Heading further to the city center, you will find the Newborn Monument, which represents a new country born in 2008. Taste the delicious and cheap coffee with cakes in different cafes where you can find in every corner of the city. Visit the most iconic sports complex of Pristina. Walk around in the shopping street of Pristina where you can find bars, cafes, and restaurants. Because Pristina has great options of coffee shop, this time I tried the Gusto Cafe, which has a lot of choices to choose from. And all of the cafes that I've been in this city, I can say that they are all fantastic with cozy ambience and really cheap. For dinner, I took my tasty spaghetti carbonara in Messini Cafe. And as always, you will find tempting sweets waiting for you afterwards. So many choices of cakes which I wanna try all, but I ended up in banana split. And for the last activity for the day, I got a chance to watch the Balkan International Basketball League that cost €3 for the ticket. And as a fan of collegiate basketball in my home country, I really enjoyed watching and cheering for the local team. And to be honest, I was carried away by Pristina fans because of their cheer and chants. I will turn off the background music so you can hear it.